Welcome to my next video of MCQs. The subject is Business Research Method, MCQs with Answers, part number 4. I, Dr. Rohan Revale, welcome you all. Before starting the question number 76 to 100, just a small advice to you. Just don't rely on the MCQs and answers, but your theoretical concepts must be crystal clear. For that, don't forget to watch my other videos based on theoretical concepts. I am giving the links in the description box. Thank you. Now we will start with question number 76 to 100. First question. Dash is utilized when objectives and hypotheses are stated with accuracy. The options are descriptive research, qualitative research, exploratory research, and motivation research. The answer is descriptive research. Descriptive research is utilized when objectives and hypotheses are stated with accuracy. Moving on, Dash is the process of establishing causal relationship and generalizing it to a large group. The options are correlation, experimentation, generalization, none of the above. Students can pause the video and they can think of a correct answer, and in the next slide you can check your answers. The correct answer is experimentation. Experimentation is the process of establishing causal relationship and generalizing it to a large group. Moving on, researcher can isolate the dash that create variation in dependent variable. Options are independent variable, X variable, Y variable, and external factors. Correct answer is external factors. Researcher can isolate the external factors that create variations in the dependent variable under study. Next question. Experimental research design is suitable when researcher has dash. The options are identified study variables, no variables, only dependent variables, and no objective. The correct answer is identified study variables. Experimental research design is suitable when researcher has identified the study variables. Next question. The coding of the secondary data may be difficult because of following: differences in content or subject matter, lack of standardization, difference in length and format, all of the above. And the correct answer is the coding of the secondary data may be difficult because all of the above. That is differences in content or subject matter, lack of standardization, and difference in length and format. Moving on, the researcher must be concerned about the following problem while using secondary data in research, whether it is validity, reliability, both of these or none of these. And the correct answer is the researcher must concern about the following problems, and these problems are reliability and validity both while using the secondary data in research. Moving on, hypothesis refers to dash the outcome of an experiment, the conclusion drawn from an experiment, a form of bias in which the subject tries to outguess the experiment, and tentative statement about the relationship. The correct answer is hypothesis refers to a tentative statement about the relationship between various variables like dependent and independent variables under the study. Moving on, statistics is used by researcher to dash. Why researchers are using statistics? The options are analyze the empirical data collected in a study, make their findings sound better, operationally define their variables, and to ensure the study comes out the way it was intended. And the correct answer is first answer, that is analyze the empirical data collected in a study. That's why statistics is used by the researcher. Moving on, a literature review requires dash planning, good and clear writing, lot of rewriting, and all of the above. The correct answer is a literature review requires all of the above, that is, planning, good and clear writing, and lot of rewriting. Next question is again related to literature of review. A literature review is based on the assumption that copy from the work of others, knowledge accumulate and learn from work of the others, knowledge disaccumulates, and none of the above options. Correct answer is a literature review is based on the assumption that knowledge accumulates and learns from the work of others. Next question. If two variables, say x variable and y variable, are said to have a causal relationship, then it is mandatory that they should have space or coordination or association or all of the above. And the correct answer is if two variables x and y they are having causal relationship, then it is mandatory that they should have association. Moving on, randomization helps to segregate the effort of dash as a chance factor. So various options are internal factor, extraneous factor, external factor, and again external factor. So here C and D is one and the same. Such type of mistakes also can be there in examination also. So the correct answer is extraneous factor. So randomization helps to segregate the effect of extraneous factor as a chance factor. Next question. Dash are the main concern and is a starting point of experiment. Options are selection and measurement of variable, objectives of variables, research objectives, and none of the above. The correct answer is selection and measurement of variable are main concern and is a starting point of the experiment. Next question. Dash provide unique method to measure experimental effect. Whether that correct answer is error, projects, experimental designs or all of the above. Correct answer is experimental designs. Experimental designs provide unique method to measure experimental effect. Moving on, dash is the raw material which is something more than the information. So whether that is data, information, knowledge or source. And the correct answer is data. Data is the raw material which is something more than the information. So there is a raw data. Raw data is converted into information and after information knowledge is created. Moving on, dash are the persons from whom the information is gathered. Researcher, respondents, investigator or source. Simple question and the answer is respondents are persons from whom the information is gathered and the information is gathered by researcher or investigator. So the correct answer is respondents. Moving on, data collection is an dash part of research work. Different, predictive, integral, and prospective. The correct answer is integral. Data collection is an integral part of research work. Moving on, which of the following statement is not true? So there are four statements you can read and just for each and every statement just justify that whether the statement is correct or not or whether that statement is true or false. So first question, a research proposal is a document that presents a plan for a project. A research proposal shows that the researcher is capable of successfully conducting the proposed research project. Research proposal is an unorganized and unplanned project. Last statement, a research proposal is just like a research report and written before the research project. Very simple and the correct answer is Statement A, B, and D are correct statement, but statement C, that is, a research proposal is an unorganized and unplanned project. This statement is not correct. So, this is our correct option. Moving on, preliminary data collection is a part of the dash, whether it is a part of descriptive research, exploratory research, applied research, or explanatory research. And the correct answer is preliminary data collection is a part of exploratory research. Next question. Conducting surveys is the most common method of generating dash, primary data, secondary data, qualitative data, or none of the above. Simple question, and the answer is conducting survey is the most common method in generating the primary data. Here the investigator himself or herself is collecting the primary data through survey. Moving on, primary sources of information can be collected through dash. The options are interactive and unstructured approach, verbal and non-verbal responses, both of the above and none of the above. So primary sources of information can be collected through interactive and unstructured approach as well as verbal and non-verbal responses. So both of the above is the correct option. Moving on, a data can be represented numerically followed by calculations is known as dash. The options are quantitative data, qualitative data, primary data, and secondary data. The correct answer is quantitative data. A data can be represented numerically followed by calculations is known as quantitative data. Next question. Observations is carried out through dash, verbal, visual, non-verbal, and orally. Very simple question, and the answer is visually. Observations or observation is carried out through visually. Next question is also related to observations. Observation implies dash for a specific purpose. Systematic viewing, noting down, watching, and examining. And the correct answer is observation implies systematic viewing for a specific purpose. Next question. Being a member of the group, he or she closely understand, gather information, and extract the valuable data is known as dash, controlled observation, direct observation, participant observation, or just observation. So you can pause the video, you can think, and then you can tell the answer. Check your answer in the next slide. Here is the answer. Being a member of the group, he or she closely understand, gather information, and extract the valuable data is known as participant observation. What is next? In my next video, we will see business research methods MCQs part number 5, that is question number 101 to 125. Till then, keep thinking, keep learning, keep watching my channel. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, and turn on the bell icon for further notification. I wish you best of luck for your studies. These are some references I have used for preparing this video. Thank you.